Today's journey was supposed to be a normal, relaxing drive to the beautiful parish of Portland, where I had planned to go in search of an old English fort and army barracks. Then I met up with my good friend Godfrey Osborne, and my plan took an unexpected turn that led us to an old, abandoned hospital and one of the largest, most confusing great house ruins I've ever found. While my goal is finding and exploring our abandoned historical places of interest and bringing our forgotten, ignored, or unknown history to the public, I take extra precautions during exploring, endeavoring always to leave everything as I find them. So while exploring these places might look appealing to most, my advice is make sure you are mentally and physically prepared for the unknown before you get started. Them rock here, them a shake. Bomb batter the whole thing a come down here. No, the rock move all over, man. Me dry it out. If you enjoy historical content, I would appreciate you giving this video a thumbs up. It is most helpful in enabling me to continue exploring and sharing my discoveries with you. The Hardley Hospital. This hospital is almost lost to history. I say lost to history because I cannot find any documented information available about this hospital. Although it appears to have been abandoned in recent times, it still has the hospital colors clearly visible. However, according to my conversations with residents, they say the hospital has been abandoned for over 50 years. Many people in the parish of St. Thomas, including my father and JC's mom, were born in that very hospital. If any subscribers or visitors to my channel are able to shed a light on the Hardley Hospital, any information at all, please do not hesitate to leave a comment or contact me at the number on screen. Thank you. Yeah guys, so this is the hospital, guys. Yeah man, this was the Hardley Hospital, the first hospital. Well, the first civilian hospital in St. Thomas, because the first hospital in St. Thomas was a military hospital. Alright, so this is the Hardley Hospital ruins. This place must be haunted though. I don't know. Oh, I don't hear no baby a cry or the old people a weep. But let me see if I can walk. Godfrey! The hospital! Guys, that's the great house up there. It was right above the hospital. That's a room right here. Could have been a bathroom or office. Don't seem to be an office because it had no windows. But as you notice, this was sort of more modern. It has sockets in the walls. Yeah, they had the hospital. They had to add electricity because, yeah, it's a hospital. This is another part of the hospital. This looks like a seating area. It was really a large place. That's the breaker box down there in the corner. Yeah, they had electricity. We'll come around here. And it's still paint in the hospital color, guys. Yeah. I think it's another breaker box over here. Yeah guys, that's another breaker box over there. Wow, guys, now check out that. Now check out this. Godfrey. Check out this, guys. We find where them burn the body them. Guys. That's a hole right there. Not sure what that is. Yeah, I'm not sure what this building is, guys, but yeah, it's built as like a chapel. And we have a round here, around the back. Godfrey. Hospital. Yeah, one pit round there. Yeah. And them have a problem when them try to use them birth paper. Because people say the hospital don't. Because the history of Jamaica has been hidden so much, we will not even know about one old hospital that did not St. Thomas. Not even the nurse and the doctor them sometimes don't know. So people, when I watch the video, let it be learned here. If you're born at Hardley Hospital, refer them to the video here when you have problem with the ID. And leave a comment if you were born at the Hardley Hospital in St. Thomas.
Respect, my brother Alex's father was born here.
Yeah.
And him have a problem with him.
Birth paper.
Birth paper.
Alright.
Yes, that this hospital does not exist.
Alright. I don't know. The teacher, them not teach nothing at school, man, because they weren't. Them never did get teach nothing either.
Don't say that, Alex. The teacher them teach you what they learn and what they know.
So true.
So, my brother, don't blame the teacher.
This round here, sir. Round here, sir. Well, I could try for further what them never do.
Thank you.
What them never get a chance to do.
Because those teachers teach we to be so excellent.
Who we are.
Yes, we are grateful for
at least we can read and we can research to find out the knowledge yourself.
Respect. And true. If we tell a lie, we can correct with too.
Yeah. I'm willing to be corrected.
Thank you.
Guys, this is an emergency.
Yes, man.
Casualty. You notice hospitals are always painted in blue or green, but emergency painting are red.
Yeah.
That are inside, guys. If you notice the red paint right here.
Emergency room and stuff.
Be careful. No current no run come up here again. Electricity, guys.
People.
Emergency area where the ambulance would have come in. If you notice, you have the big arch them.
Yes, around there was the drive-in there.
I don't know where them drive still, but I know say.
Yeah, it have to be.
Right there, sir. Down that side. So I'm railing right here, sir. See the driveway, Godfrey? You drive from down there, sir, and you come up, and them no drive through the arch, you know. Them drive come up in the middle here, sir.
Come around back? No.
Yes, sir. Them drive come somewhere, someone, and let off. Because if,
and the push go in there.
Yeah. Because yes, sir, the entrance.
Has to be.
Oh, hold it, sir, Godfrey. Don't drop night. Yeah, guys, so that's up at the hospital. Hold up a building over here, miss me. Eh? We find everything up there now.
Hardley Great House, right down there, so go through the...
Hardley Great House up there, sir. Now, let's move on to the first Hardley Great House. I say the first Hardley Great House because they had relocated to a new location. The Hardley Great House was built in 1782, and at that time it was owned by Matthew Gregory, who was a resident slave owner in Jamaica. According to the 1772 will of the Honorable John Scott, and shown in monumental inscriptions as the younger, presumably to distinguish him from his father, Matthew Gregory Sr., who died in 1715, this man was the father-in-law of the Honorable John Scott and also the grandfather of Monk Lewis. The Hardley estate was served by a water system that stretched miles from the Plantain Garden River to service a number of other estates in the area. The terrain was such that the aqueduct system was required. It passed through the floodgates of both Hardley and Amity Hall. In 1818, when the owner Matthew Gregory visited, there was a storm and the estate was flooded. Hence, the gates were installed. The original Hardley Great House was located in the hills, some distance away from the works and the slave huts. The old Great House was described by Lady Nugent in her journal. Sometime later, the Great House was relocated to a new site, probably due to flooding and/or landslides. Igman also noted that the architectural style of the Great House now reflected Creole taste. During the 1865 Mark Bay Rebellion, the house served as a gathering point for the local white population. I wasn't expecting to find the ruins of this great house at all, for it wasn't on my agenda. This was the first Hardley Great House before it was relocated to the new property that is still standing to this day. Let me give you a quick definition of what a great house is, because people always ask why I refer to these buildings as great houses. A great house was a seat of authority on an estate. It was the home of planters or attorneys who acted on behalf of absent owners. The size and profitability of the property and the wealth of the owner determined the size of the house. These houses were usually two-story buildings with brick, cut stone, and mortar foundations. The top floors were usually made of timber. Variations of this archetype included one-story buildings of timber, cut stone, Spanish walling, or wattle and daub, or ones made of bricks.
The place how we that's around there. Look up there, bro.
Yeah, things up there.
So one something there. And there was beer things up there, you know. So one thing there. Whoa.
Yeah, guys. One column there, guys. That's one of the column then. You could go up there. Huh? That's it. Yo. I see building outside, so I saw me. Piece of wall, listen.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, guys. Piece of wall, this. Piece of hospital wall, this.
Yeah.
You want to see how far we are come to doing them video?
Yeah, and look there again. It's a piece more there, Alex, roll down.
Yeah.
And stop there, so I tree road.
Look over there, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Some
Yeah,
stone.
guys,
Some stone them there.
And we are climbing.
Yeah. That is it.
You have to climb to go to our hospital. You didn't get through.
No, the road with all around there so still, you know. But we now take it pan a different. Yeah?
Don't slide, no?
No, man. 2 hours can't slide one time.
But if you slide, I 2 hours.
I want to do that, Alex. We have
Sorry,
vlogs.
I've seen something, guys. This is something
People.
we never expect.
People. Uno know say uno I go hear Alex like that because Godfrey no cut out.
You know me get excited enough.
Long time.
Things. Alright, so it can't be part of the hospital, Godfrey. Guys, look like we find something we never did look for. This is what we found.
Look at this. How are this, Alex? Chimney something.
Chimney.
Yeah, look at it.
Hold on. This is not what we were searching for, guys. We'll find something else. Fireplace, yeah?
Yeah, this is fireplace. Look at that.
Tunnel?
Yeah. Fireplace is real.
Yeah.
This is real fireplace, my brother. Real. Yeah.
Yeah, guys. And you see, you can see over the next side, you know. You see that? Camera always work better than my eye. Yeah, guys, so this is not what we searched for, but this is what we found. Yeah. So on chimney, I know. Guys, chimney. So this would have the up on top of that. Or, so on chimney over here, you know. We have all gutter. We have guttering for water. Whoa! Yo, come like we now go reach a Portland today. One big piece over there, son.
Brother, I say something to you. Yes, sir? Yes, sir?
At top of the hospital down there, sir.
Yeah. This,
We go up that step here.
So, it's a step. People.
Yeah, guys.
What is that, Alex? We don't know as yet, but we are checking in. So, our next step, you are walk on one. No?
Yeah, you walk on the next step.
Yeah.
Yeah, a 2-step.
A 2-step and a 2 hours.
Yes.
But this is literally a fireplace again.
Yeah, that me tell you about our fireplace one.
Fireplace up here, so one.
Incinerator.
And you know, said this to me. This was
More like a oven.
you know, a building.
Yeah, them put, that's what them usually have them kitchen
The
oven,
next
you know.
piece where you see broke off and drop down there, so. The chimney used to gone.
Drop on top of this.
Yeah.
This are the chimney.
Yeah.
This are the chimney in the house.
Yeah.
So they're in the living room. This are the living room.
Somewhere there.
Yeah, man, our living room. So go over here, so now we have a kitchen over here, so. See the kitchen, yeah? You see me tell you? See the kitchen that Godfrey. We have 2 sinks. This is 1 sink, guys. 2 sinks. So, be careful. And them big stone you want to drop on your foot?
Welcome. I'm here anyway.
Them the big stone there?
I saw it go. I know you step good.
Okay.
That is it. I just, that are the problem.
Yeah, guys. Old military hospital there first. Yeah. We have to find out when we go down there, sir. Guys, and it's like we can't get enough because this a piece more than a peeps. And if we look up there, so we still have columns going up. The next piece of the construction here, guys. Yeah. So our next building up there, sir. You know? Next building up there, sir. Here, guys. Another part of the building. And plus, I'm above this one. I never shown the piece here. Look, see Peter behind you. Godfrey I tell me about pit. And look there, see the pit there. One step around, sir.
What was this? Look there, Alex.
Eh? This look like one administrative building or something where you walk up, you know. This separate from all of the other building them. Because the step there right there, sir.
Yeah.
That's the step right there.
Yeah.
Going up.
And look at people.
This is a small building. A rather small building. That's one end of the building, guys. And the next end over there. It's a rather small building. Could be an administrative office or something like that. It's a really large site, guys. And we are not where we have headed out to go as yet. There is that side over there, guys. That's that side over there.
Yeah. As you can see.
That's another part down there.
I noticed a building there up there, so that ruins and I'm going to fire, you know. The sap never come higher, you know.
No, it's a small building, administrative building. This is a well.
This is a well.
Yeah, guys. The well right here, guys.
That is it. When I need high picture, yes, this is a well.
This is a well, guys.
Yeah. And if you observe how this is here, we come down to the well.
You see, we'd have landslide, you know, if you notice a piece of wall there, right there, so that piece of wall there, come out from under the ground. So landslide actually come down.
Yeah.
So that is why it's like this. Maybe that's why them did move. And guys, that's how I've never shown. If you look down there, more building, guys. Yeah, the pipe them. These are the pipes that come out of the well, guys. So, you know, I get the water here. This would have been where the top would have been. See, top column, huh? Right, that's so the pipe would have there.
Yeah.
You see me? You'd get water.
Yo, we have to catch him little bit. I know that he put on his skating boots, so I have to get low.
See the guys.
Yeah.
It seems they had landslide here because if we notice again, here is basically covered.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. And if you notice, that was like a back step, Alex.
And brick down there, sir.
Yeah, man, I want now piece, I want whole brick column.
Brick
So
column.
you can-
Two building in a one.
Mm-hmm.
Go behind it, not to go on.
Yeah, man. This place, you know, is really a whole place. Yeah, but you know, if you notice, it's not built with it. You know, some cut stone build it.
Cut stone, then just put the knee plaster over it.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
As me tell you, you know, the Hardley Hospital there and then the refurbishing, you know, so maybe then the bill come up in the hill.
How does some of this look like back tank, yeah?
Go on.
For a long time.
You know, I stand up one place too long before till I go out shooting. Keep moving.
Yeah. We have journey to accomplish. Look at my brother. All the way up in the youth to piece more ruins round after them.
Round the back round, so.
Yeah. Going cross deal and the hospital I go down.
You see the hospital down there, sir?
Yeah.
Guys,
Yeah, man, it look like I
hold on,
one
signal me eye.
place, the whole thing. Alex. Top cafe too, you know.
Guys,
Yeah, look, it's a perfect stone wall.
you're up on one
What
step,
this
Godfrey.
stone wall represent?
The whole building of the there. Wall, you know, Godfrey?
Yes, you know, you may I tell you, bro. Says a wall, a perfect wall.
Guys, this wall out of place up in the hill up here, you know?
Yeah, look, see it by itself. And we are trying to get on top of it.
Standing by itself right here. So, me tell you, you know, them suffer from a landslide up here, you know? So, our next piece of building over there, sir.
Yeah, I
go over there,
to
sir.
get over there.
You see where I got two pits?
Yeah, it gives the good content to you, my people, see it? And see it. This is a Haitian packing here, so now come back from Giant. With the
Wall, listen up.
Yeah?
Wall in the front, wall you step up on
man,
it.
I realize, so. I look
Guys, you realize
like
these
the
stones
wall
were
here.
replaced.
I say, hold them out.
No. Godfrey, you know what I go on?
Yeah.
Me tell you what I go on. Guys, me tell you what I go on. You know what I go on right here, sir? We're up on a site, we're 3 times over. There was an original site here, then the hospital bill here, and then them bill again when them refurbished the hospital, so it's kind of confusing. Because these stone walls that we are see, them stone walls there from the 1600s. We don't know that. But the concrete walls that we are seeing right now, these would be like from the 1920s, 1930s. However, we still have the older foundation we find over there, so the one that we found with the chimney. That would be like from the 1800s coming up. So 3 different sites we have in one, guys. We'll try to cover everything. And be here with me. Hold on, Godfrey. I find something else here. I find something but I get blocked up on way. This, what is?
Now tell you, man, so this is amazing. Come over here, sir.
Guys, this is under the structure here. Not sure what this structure is, so I'll lizard up there, so. Not sure what this structure is, guys.
People higher on the top of it.
But it look like a secure building.
Well secure. Yeah. Yeah, my first thing come out of my mouth.
If a jail. I don't think they have no jail up here still. But I have to find out which building they are first. It's a piece more old construction, the guys. That a piece more, if you notice the old wall right here. And they did this over because there's brick underneath. Yeah. Godfrey, now go down up here. So guys, we still see more construction again. Guys, this is another part of the structure right here. You never see this? This is a step going up. And this is another part of the building right here. This, guys, is another part of the building. Yeah. Proper. Godfrey, look out the road I walk on. You can see out there? Oh, like a smart way, mother no. Yeah, guys, we leave people out the road, so we wonder where we're going. Oh. Alright, so we'll go back down.
Yeah, man. Because we're not done up here, you know,
but we have more to film. Because we have a bigger site to go. See truck, yeah? Well, I know. Yeah, somebody out the road say Hardley Great House. I'll find it. There where I come from. Godfrey. Hey. Look on this house over here, so. Look on that house over there, so peeps. We don't look there.
We never see that one there, yeah.
We look front of Godfrey. I want ditch the front of we can't go nowhere. Guys, you don't look there.
My God.
What ditch the front away?
My God, my bro.
We never see that part there and look down here, so. See the hospital here, so, you know. Down there we have to go, you know.
Yeah, man, we'll go down there, you know. Give me your camera.
No, man, I'm good. Alright, hold it.
I want to go down there.
Film me, you know.
Yeah, man. That man, though. Oh, my people.
Yeah, guys.
It's
Is
still
that
right
ditch?
round.
Is that ditch the front away?
We're going down there.
Down there. Got
Yes.
to go walk with me, walk if you can't walk there.
Bro, G. I walk on my back if it come to a test. I tell you, say nothing now do you phone them. My word. Alright, take that one now. See my people, see my got take the phone. Yeah.
Godfrey, yeah, come down.
Yeah, man. Hold that one here too.
Angle.
That is it, my brother. That is it. We cool.
Cool.
So what
Yo, so go back up there. One more climb up. Them I wonder where up here do so long.
As you can see,
It had
a
been
lot of
broken
breaking
down.
down going on. For all the years, my people.
This is the Great House, Godfrey. See the thing here? Guys, look at the columns. This was the Great House.
This was Hardly Great House.
Yes.
Hear somebody attack
Out a road a while ago, I tell them, say, Hardley Great House.
some Great House thing, man.
This was Hardley. Watch a stone, don't make it fall back one, you know.
No.
Look for us. This was the Hardley Great House, guys.
Yeah.
So find the Hardley Great House, we can mark that off in our books. But I don't know how me stay already. Me have to walk round the house before I go inside, but I'm not going to do that at time because I'm so on toilet.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm not toilet, I'm manual.
Manual.
Yeah. You know, say, a place that is well secure. Look there. Me I wonder if them used to lock up people up here, so.
Yo, fam.
Well secure, no?
Yeah, man.
Look here, look on them in there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Look over your head.
Yeah, man. Watch ya. Iron bar, water that.
Water.
Water.
But
So you got to feed it.
something not right about that place, Godfrey. May I get the feeling there again, Godfrey?
Yeah. That place, look
At the house,
this
you know.
is a partition in here.
Yes, yes, but me on the white stay that way there. Guys, I'm going to show you guys how in there is.
But yourself.
We sure so that the Great House because of these columns.
Yes.
We can be sure because of them columns up on the Great House. So sure so find the Great House. However, there are rooms inside here where it look like somebody is sleeping there. Yeah, if you end up come out and see you in the car.
Yeah, we did a glimpse of around there, so Alex.
It's a dead man in us, dog.
Eh?
It's a dead man in us.
Let us see him now. You two want to see him now.
Can't put him on
So
YouTube.
we can't even get no
So
light
the next
to the
room there,
camera.
guys. Can turn on the flash, man.
No, that. I don't see the way how to put on my flash for here, so. Oh, me have flame. I would normally press my screen and it come up. But me do something wrong at lately.
Yeah, guys, so this is inside of the house. Bathroom here.
About 2 years.
One each window, each side of the window for one of the places. See face basin out there, so.
Yeah.
Guys, face basin. So they might live in a luxury now, Godfrey. Bathroom section over here. They might have a step there, so go upstairs. Look here, look over your head. They might have a step go upstairs. To go up another section there.
Go up in there, sir.
Yeah.
Down. But you don't know so I go to climb up.
See, here's the step there, guys, where you'd walk and go upstairs. And there's another pipe right there. That would be a shower. So, a shower around us, Godfrey.
Yeah, I want you to
This looked like it was just a bathroom area. Over here, saw the house now. Godfrey, watch us. So, our next house up there, so I want to see now. Guys, there's another house up there. Me not think me I reach back up there, so because the hill hard for climb. Guys, you see that? Look like it get shoot up though. From Cannon.
It's on wall.
Yeah.
Wouldn't reach us up.
From, yeah. You see every Cannon up on wheel. But it can come from sea still now. Yeah guys, so we in the Hardley Great House. Godfrey, round we are round up now for leaving now. Yo. You know see how the house big, you know see how far me there? At the same house, you know? Yeah. That's the house this way now, you know? Guys, that's another column of the house. If you notice, it's going all the way down there. So our next column here. This is one wall right here, so they didn't have any electricity, but them surely did have running water. Over here, another side. Now me just a walk. I'm not sure if there are any holes here, guys, but I don't know how this go. Look at this. One tree growing at the house. Eh? And over here, guys. I see something too. Yeah, guys, so this is another part of the house, another room. And you notice how it used to stay now? It's all like vines and all of that. Yeah, guys, another column, that's a step, guys, going up. The house is big, you know. It's part of the house right there, you know. This have to be a whole day thing. Up here full. Guys, honestly, we won't be able to show everything because we're at for Portland. Now come. Guys, what we never pass here, so? We don't look on this column here.
What is this? I found something. And it's structured different from everything.
It's built different and it let there before everything else.
Look at this. It's coming up all the way up
all
here.
All the way.
Look
like it's a tank and that, you know.
Look on this, sir. Like iron, and look over there, sir. The same thing.
Oh.
With steel.
Look like somewhere you walk across in the house.
Look.
Well, Anna, Godfrey.
Yeah.
You walk across. The house is built up, man. There's just a walkway if you go across in the house. So you walk.
So you have to go
across.
Upstairs. We go upstairs.
Because if you notice the house over there, the same way.
Going up.
Guys, start again over there, so. Plus,
it.
if you look up there, more house. So an upstairs piece up there, so Godfrey.
Yeah.
But we now get to go up there, so.
No.
Guys, that's another house up there. I never see it. That's the piece over there, so to Godfrey. Look over there, so. Guys, we'll see if we can find a way back out of the bush.
Yeah, man.
It's really complicated to come out, you know. Up here again.
Yeah.
Guys, the house is big.
Huge.
We can't leave it, Godfrey.
No, let me tell you.
Piece more the house,
this
peeps.
Is a walkway run down, as I said.
And this is a step.
Look where the step I come
See the
from,
step?
bro.
I go up to the greater part of the house.
Yeah, to the greater part.
Because that's why the steps are here.
Yes.
To lead you go up. And once you're going up.
Look now, brother. Look now. When you come down that set of steps here,
guys.
You have one place where you branch out.
So our next one of the passage thing them,
yeah.
Where you walk and go across. So you walk from so come up on the step, come another one that come up. You see me? Guys, so our next part of the house.
Yeah. Look.
So our next piece of the house up there, so peeps. And if you look in the background, guys, we're gonna still see our next piece up there, so. Guys, honestly, this video is gonna take a video like this because time is against you. You know, Godfrey have to get back to work. We have go Portland, and then me have to go back to country. This is our next side of the house, guys. This is another side of the house. You see over there, so guys? Over there. And then up there, guys. So our next piece up. You see that? So I'm not sure where we'll complete this. It's already confusing.
You have to build up on a complete pit. You have to structure yourself. After huge well
Tile it.
Big gas before the one hole up here from the general. Look. See that? This hole?
Yeah, the toilet.
Alright, now look here now.
Water run on there,
Look
so.
on here, so. You see how it's structure look on the design and the settings, my bro. My God.
Real plumbing, you know.
Jeez, my God, man. Tell you,
So the feces go down through the pipe there. And water, if a water run out, but feces stay.
I want to say this without an apology. Right now, every time I see these type of buildings,
But then the people build better than we know.
The people, we feel like we don't know nothing about building.
We don't know nothing about building construction, Godfrey.
So our next something there, Alex. So our next tile it.
Tile it, yeah.
Yeah.
We don't know nothing. Upstairs tile it, them, you know.
Yeah.
We don't know nothing about building construction, Godfrey.
About building construction.
And we can't walk so near the pit.
Look how the building.
Godfrey, move from near the pit, Godfrey. Cause more work good there.
Yeah.
See truck you reach out, fan. Guys, and if you look up there, that's another piece of house.
You walk and go
you see me? Oh, now go back up there, sir.
The people building that way. You know?
Come here, we'll go back down that side. One house, yeah. It's a house right there, sir. Guys, this was a large house.
Huge.
Really huge. Humongous. You know see how far it come from?
And look on the structure there.
Well built. And we are walk on construction and ground too, you know. Alright. So I road down there, so. We see that when we come up, you know. Brick.
Yeah, I don't know. Not really a step up, but it was like, you know. And then this year we see it different.
Look different now. Yeah. The whole of brick them, original brick.
We are going down. Yeah, no. No worry. Oh, you mean? That is it, we're going down there, my people. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys. Let's see what we are going to do. I love it.
Whoa.
Some people want to see them on TikTok.
It's a short that is a tall. That is a tall. I'm glad we catch you. I'm glad we catch you.
Some people want to see them on TikTok. I prefer this.
Yeah, man. A reality, my brother. That is it. Yeah, man. Yes, my brother. Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys.
Respect.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah. That is it.
Yeah, peeps. That was the Hardley Great House. Have a tumble down for my ass. Yeah, but I've enjoyed it. Next, we move on to the Golden Grove Great House and our stable, which was built in 1763, making it 260 years old at the time of filming this video. The Golden Grove Great House was the main building for the Golden Grove plantation. However, sometime during the 1800s, the whole area was abandoned due to flooding from the Plantain Garden River that regularly left the area under floodwaters. The land was then considered only suitable for farming, which has continued to this day. Yeah, guys, so we are at the moment in Golden Grove, St. Thomas. I don't know what Portland I go, but I see something where I just have to show you this, guys, because I actually cuss Godfrey about the building because him tell me say it there, I'm search out the whole of Golden Grove, couldn't find this building, and just driving past, we found it. Let me show you all this, guys. Now this is part of it. I'm going to show you the larger side, which is really amazing. I'm showing the other side, which is a great house. I'm showing a little glimpse site. That's it over there, guys. Similar to the Idol estate. Here, guys, so this is the inside. This seems to be family, bless up. You're the person in control, right? All right. The building over there, so what the name of the building? Huh? Hostel. Golden Grove Hostel. Huh?
Sugar Estate Hostel.
Sugar Estate Hostel. All right.
Spell that again?
What what was the significance of this building in regards to slavery? It was a stable where you keep like horses and stuff like that. Okay, this. Okay, so this building was a stable. I thought it was a cooking area. Okay. Alright, guys, so this was a stable over here. Alright.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, fertilizer school. And what was that building over there? All bookkeepers. Okay, okay, thank you for that information. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
And yes, I'm not continuing.
Okay. Oh, we all cut out that stick. I don't want to call them name on camera. You understand? We don't want to call them name on camera. Okay. So we cut out that. We cut out that. Don't worry about it. Alright. So the next house up on the hill. It has some. Yeah. Manager's house. Okay.
You want to order?
Yeah, I'm going to peel and still flower down peel. Yes. So is there a possibility we can get a look under the house here? Okay.
It's part that one there.
We go up Stokesart. We just come from Stokesart.
Okay.
We just come from Stokesart. Yes, we go up there.
When they said the slave master did live. Okay.
Okay. Stokesart was the first slave house in Jamaica. You know?
So you have no idea why they call it Duffy House? Yeah.
Maybe they get haunting up there.
Yeah.
Sure.
Alright.
Make we get a look on this now.
Which part Mosley there?
No, I didn't get. We never get to do that.
Okay. Alright.
A lot of sites around here we can't.
Yeah.
Okay. Godfrey, we have to go find that one day. No?
Them again?
Golden Downs, Moses, Jackson, Moses.
Yeah, Golden.
Golden Grove, Mosley.
Golden Dawn.
Golden Downs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me tell you about up here. When you go to the Adventist church,
Yeah?
just there, church, I'm going right.
Okay.
Right at Big Wango Tree.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have to do that next day because Portland we are head to.
A journey we have to do.
You can up there in your home, so you can speak with your sing.
Okay. Really, give thanks, man. We go look on this.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys, this is really fascinating. Look at this, guys. This is something that we have missed so long, and we find it today. A great house in perfect working order. We call them great house, but you know,
Cooking area there, when we
Yeah.
figure out.
the cooking area. No, this is the modern cooking area. Well, it could be, you know.
Yeah, man.
But it's just an archway if you go through, you know.
Just an archway if we got you.
Yeah, more time them have carriage or commander, because you saw the cover, you know.
You're right.
As you notice, guys.
But me, I look on it and I look on the design still.
Like under them place, Godfrey.
Oh, still up here.
Yeah, man, the whole place is cover, man.
Well, you know, I'll be able to go with book or kind of weird.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Somebody walk upstairs. You hear that?
Yeah, man, someone had well up here.
Yeah, guys, this is a rather large building we're under, guys. Really magnificent construction. Huh? Yeah, guys, this is the house, guys. As I said, it was a hostel where a person stayed, but this is a rather large find, guys. There's a little view up inside. We're not really go inside because it's been occupied. Yep, it's. Sorry about that. It's been occupied, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Here guys, so up here is the top where there would have been a board floor here guys. You know the carriages that came under here. Go all the way through there to let off persons. Yeah. But you teach me something one time. Carriage go under the house. Yeah.
Yes. You know, see the board was over there.
The arch.
Yeah.
Yeah, them come from the side that come out and can go under from so. Them build it.
Come through there.
Yeah. And then let them off.
And they would never be seen if they don't want anyone.
Because it was a hostel.
Hey, listen.
It was a hostel.
What?
It was a hostel.
This was a hostel?
Yes. For the
For what?
bookkeepers.
For who?
For the bookkeepers of the
So how many
plantation.
bookkeepers were there? Because this was
And
a
that was
huge
the what you call it, where you keep animal?
barn.
No, not barn.
I only know it was a barn.
Stable.
Stable.
Yeah. Finally, we were back on the road to Portland. We got pulled over by the police again, but as usual, we had no issues. The police officers in Portland are polite and very friendly. At this police stop, I also saw the Portland gates from St. Thomas side for the first time. If you're interested in seeing dashcam footage of my journeys across Jamaica, please subscribe to Reggae Dashcam. Your support is very much appreciated. The See Me No More Gully in Portland is where the Mullato River runs underneath the main road. It is so named because whenever there are accidents that result in a vehicle going off the road and into the gully, that would most likely be the end of that vehicle. It would never be seen no more. Arriving in Portland and finally on the hunt for the abandoned military barracks, we found the site being swallowed by the surrounding jungle just off a narrow beach where the shallow river meets the sea. See me no more gully guys. Godfrey, find them. Right here. I'm not sure what this part was, but we're gonna find out. Whoa! Guys. Godfrey. That's right, and I go down till 7. But don't follow me, please. We have to go down flat.
Yeah.
We have to go, sir. Go listen, man. Give Grace Harper. Building, I don't get building.
Down there, the building there is.
This is the front of the fort, where they look over sea. Well,
It's not easy for you, Mom.
we test it first month. Yeah, guys, we're down in a See More. See Me No More Gully. This is one of the buildings, guys. This is one of the buildings right here. And this was an old British fort. That's a part of the building right here, guys. Alright, so we'll go down further. Stop me now, sir. Yeah. That's why I'm not cuss bad order. Up in the door. Use the phone for see. A tree. A tree. Watch it. Guys, another piece of the building, guys. Oh, God, remember to snake that Portland now. I remind them too. Pat, don't stand up one place too long, yeah? Never that film. Yeah guys, this are the building. I know some bush there. But this are the building guys, and this building is older than the 16th century. As you can see from the construction. We don't have no question to ask about that. Eh? Now, may I go inside you know?
Yeah.
You are going inside from there, sir?
Yeah, but bro,
Eh?
my goodness, this looks like it's a farmer water wheel thing. You know, so deep for left.
Or in the side there?
You know, just a water wheel there. Don't you have to look. How does it look here? The passage there.
Alright guys, let me show you all that.
Come up here so and look down.
I have a picture with this too, you know. Guys, I'm gonna show you all some picture of this place when we get before me even.
I want you all to
Come
be
here.
careful up there, okay? Careful there, so don't hold that stone the way I pop up. Come out, yeah, don't make that move. Make it
Fuck.
stay as out. So don't, if I not...
And then I build with mortar, you know.
No, put on.
Guys, and I look there.
Yeah.
But these rocks, guys, them rock here, them a shake. Bumble thing I come down here. No, the rock move all ago, man. Me dry it out.
Yeah, tell us enough here. Sorry.
Alright, watch this. I see me can see from down there. Watch ya. Godfrey and swamp down here, son.
No!
Alligator down here, no?
Yeah, you should be careful up there.
That's the river down there.
Yeah.
That's the river.
And this I come from out of Seminole Gully.
Yeah.
Bro. The river there come from up in our gully, Seminole Gully. Yeah.
Go see if we find the other structure. No man, road there, sir.
So
We can't walk here, sir.
we have to go back to and go around too.
So this is the water wheel.
Yeah. I'm building the pan it to
We don't want
otherwise.
to show them, we have to go around from the front and show them.
Yeah.
But we look down here sir, first.
Good, brother.
More building on there. This is the big building. Yeah guys. So I'll try to find
That's my people.
the rest of the structure.
Are in Portland.
Portland.
Gully.
The parish of Saint Portland.
Yeah. Portland. Yeah, and that's where we're going. Building over there.
Over there, sir.
Yeah.
Guys, more building.
The whistle I drop out with you.
With my rug.
Weed round here and we not none.
No weed.
That look unbalanced.
Where the building there? Over there, sir?
Yeah.
Over reach over there.
I have to go even build a piece of tobacco script. Like forward same way in
Yeah.
front here. But them love them all Asian tobacco. And when you see whistle I drop out, something put down on it. So that is it. These are the people going over there. Yeah. That's my brother.
Yes, man.
Great man, archaeologist, you know?
Yes, man.
Bird
Come true.
archaeologist out of
Don't stay one place too long. Mind something crawl up in your foot.
So we know
Wow. Guys, we know we're out of civilization now. Cue spooky music. Yeah, peeps.
What we have not done, what we have
What is refined? These buildings are old, guys. Them buildings are older than the history we get taught. Look on these guys. We don't really find buildings with them kind of construction where they don't use no mortar. You know. You see me?
Yeah.
These buildings are rather old and a real African construction. This
Look on your left hand.
snake,
Bro, no disrespect.
What
Look
that?
on your left
Me see
hand.
it.
No, your left hand.
Brick.
So what's the patch?
brick,
Patch.
and patch it out.
Colonial, you know when them come from these things, they patch that. That is a patch. No build, they would have built a building like this with just stone. Nothing so. My God, how you find? Oh. It's going down.
Guys, So the building your peeps.
My peeps, if you see me, you know more stuff.
This look like our bro, this look like our chapel there, so you know.
Chapel?
One British chapel. Look on the building of this. Look up there, so. Straight bill.
Oh, man,
Show
I
him.
understand, yeah.
Them build them thing that, but no on a chapel, you know. Gun hole, yeah. Look here. Gun hole, bro. Again, yeah, pass it,
Something
please.
again, drop. Alright.
Gun hole, you know. So we have gun hole up here, sir.
One hole, yeah.
Yeah,
Look
shooting
out,
hole.
look out,
Yes.
look out, look out.
We call them gun hole because shoot, then shoot through them, you know.
Yeah, look out.
We have out to the sea also. Hey guys, more gun holes. No, one more down here now. Yeah guys, another arch. Doesn't look safe. That's the sea out there, guys. That's the sea right out there. Yeah? Two-story. That's another piece of wall right there, guys. Water wheel was up there. Up at top? Yeah, look like them have a second floor up top of them because the board then going to the second floor. Yeah, them have a second floor for true.
Yeah, pretty that.
Yeah. Let's see if we find something else.
True. Me want to build a split, bro.
Oh, that man said we'd sell out a road, you know. Down a liquor shop out past.
Yeah.
Guys, one more over there, sir.
Where?
Over there, sir.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go over there.
Mm-hmm. Come in, Godfrey, come here, I can't get down here, sir.
Yeah.
No, I'm not building, no.
And a building.
No. Trust down here, sir, no, Godfrey.
Knowledge of power, man. I water gully this. And once you see the water gully, remember they always have building right on the water edge there.
Yeah, but me not trust alligator go to down here, sir.
So this purpose.
Because a river, there's some salt water there too, you know.
Them purpose are about the down here, sir.
Water.
Water.
This was a fort, and this protect the water wheel. The water thing up there, because it was a really big water wheel. You notice?
Yes,
We are go back up there and go try go inside, you know.
very huge. I can't come out of so I'm not build that over for you. No disrespect.
Let me jump up.
Yeah.
Sitting else down here, sir. Big man thing got for me, I really want. I know what you want bush, you know. I love bush, but I don't really feel it's straight too far in the bush. And I really my parish, I don't know the parish like that. I don't know what they over here, is it? Yeah, they might protect we. But then all you get a swamp. That's all, guys. Down there. Yeah. Alright, no more down here now. No, just them two and a piece of column there. And up at the top one, the rest of them down in the flat. I'll go back up top. Guys, could see how I look? Tired. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah guys, now I'm gonna show you the water wheel I promised to show you all. Yeah, let me see if I can go around. Oh, I can't go through this again, guys. What it down there, so it's really messed up. I can't go through, peeps. Yeah, but I can't go through. Be a tree route down there. One little hole there where you could have go through.
Yeah.
You can't go through there.
But look now.
You can go up on the top and look down there?
Yeah, that is it. That's what I have to.
Yeah, sit down in there? Not for.
We find part of the aqueduct. Alex,
Eh?
we find part of the aqueduct. To the water, we'll come back to the water wheel.
Are the water wheel, listen?
Yeah.
Big. Oh, this is aqueduct.
Yeah. So this aqueduct, this has come from
Hold on,
somewhere.
hold on, before you even do that test. I'm not dropping this and dropping on the water wheel, is it?
Yeah, I understand, yeah.
I want to put the person on there, no God.
Why?
The person on firm. Guys, we're standing on what looks like an aqueduct. And the water wheel that down there, so.
Yeah.
But me, right now, I feel like I'm not supposed to go down there, so.
The water wheel there.
You can see?
Yeah. So the aqueduct there down there. You see that? Push over your camera like that. And you're seeing better, you know? I'm flicking down. See there, that are the water wheel. Aye. So this way on top of the aqueduct. Where we lead back down to the water wheel, cause when you see this design, you see says an aqueduct. This.
Aqueduct.
Where it a
What,
come
no
from,
man?
so.
Water wheel, pump water.
Oh, and lead it up. Okay.
You know bring water go sea, you know. Yeah, you know bring water go river. You bring it from the river.
Never to smoke without fire. Come on, take your time, man. Step down, let me go.
Interesting. Really goddamn interesting. I go down but I'm gonna look same way, you know. No, that's why I go down the bottom. Yeah guys, right. Go further down, go see if I can see better. Beachside peeps. And if no saltwater crocodile around. Yeah guys, I think I did one alligator. So this are the river peeps. And there is another column right there. Going up in the river. One column, yeah? And this me that's me not trust, is it? Yeah, alligator win of them things, but I'm not seeing none still. Column up here, sir.
Yeah, this was a wall, Alex.
Yeah. See wall?
Yeah, this was a wall.
Part of the fort again. Yeah guys. See? Hold on. Godfrey.
Yeah.
Come in. Fuck.
Alright, walk down.
Yeah, walk down the song.
Alright. I have some that said a surface that look like building in it, but it's like a wall them built to wall back the mountain, to wall back the hillside.
Fortification wall, Godfrey.
Yeah.
It's a fort there, that's why them so thick.
Respect, respect.
And at the same time serve an next purpose too, you know.
See the rest of
Wall
wall
back the
down
river.
so look how we stand up. A wall then
this
we drop down half a year.
This wall guys,
Yeah.
our fall down from up there.
Yeah.
You know?
So, that is it.
See how thing there would look at up there.
Yeah. Yeah man.
I see a building?
Yeah man, I see a building.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah guys.
Some people honestly, they trod road while treading, you know? Road while treading when I waste enough steps.
One of my best in a long while.
Yeah man. Because you know, tell no lie, even the building them where we capture before. You know, all of those history there. Greatness, my brother. Tell me people.
Guys, out at sea. And I'm little mangrove here with alligator and nice, you know. Water rotty, is it?
I love that expedition there. Just to come, put on the plan and go on.
This is cave. Come here, man. Come here. Okay.